In this session, we will explain how to take tool offsets while doing external grooving operation, CNC turning center. In CNC turning, the machine home position and actual cutting position are different. Offsets are used to inform CNC machine the exact position of the tooltip at the exact location of the workpiece, 0 point, without proper offset setting. Dimensions may become incorrect. Tool crash may occur. Accurate machining cannot be achieved. Before taking tool offsets, reference both X and Z axis. Select ZRN mode on MOP press, X plus button. Press Z plus button. Ensure both X axis, Z axis are at reference position. Before taking offset for grooving tool, ensure good surface finish on face and outer diameter of the component. Perform a light cut on face and OD if required. Coil turning tool T04 in turret station. Carefully move the tool towards the front face of the component. Maintain slow and controlled movement while approaching the component surface. Select MDI mode, enter S1000M03. Press cycle start to start the spindle. Perform a light cut operation on the face of the component. Use small depth of cut for offset measurement purpose. After completing the cut, retract the tool safely in the X-axis direction. Perform a light cut operation on the outer diameter. Use small depth of cut for offset measurement purpose. Switch on coolant if required. After completing the cut, retract the tool safely in the Z-axis direction. Stop the spin. Ensure good surface finish in both face and outer diameter of the component. Measure work piece diameter. Measure the machined outer diameter using micrometer. The measured workpiece diameter is 55.05. Taking the X-axis offset for external grooving tool. For selecting grooving tool, move X-axis to reference position. Call grooving tool with number T07, 07 in MDI mode. Tool number 07. Offset number 07. Move the tool near the component using MPG handle or in jog mode. Move the tool slowly to the component outer diameter. Place the thin paper between tool and component OD and move the tool slowly using MPG mode. When paper sticks, stop the tool movement immediately. Press the offset key on the controller panel. Press offset soft key. Select X-axis offset row. Enter X 55.05 and press measure. Controller automatically calculates and stores X-axis as tool offset value. Taking the Z-axis offset for external grooving tool. Move the tool away from outer diameter and nearer to face. Place the thin paper between tool and component face and move the tool slowly using MPG mode. When paper sticks, stop the tool movement immediately. Measure component length offset. Press offset button. Press geometric soft key. Select Z-axis in offset row. Enter Z 0.0 and press measure soft key. Controller automatically calculates and stores Z-axis as tool offset value. This finishes taking offset for grooving tool. Retract the tool after taking offsets. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more CNC tutorial and share your results in the comments.